Welcome. Let your body get comfortable. Let your eyes close gently and notice the gentle darkness behind your eyelids. Take a slow breath in and a slightly slower, longer breath out. And again, breathe in and breathe out. Let the exhale be like a little sigh. That sigh at the end of a day, not forced, just soft. Notice your body being held. The pillow holding the back of your head, the bed supporting your shoulders, your arms resting, your hands and fingers relaxed, heavy and slightly open. Your ribs rising and falling. Your belly softening. Your hips sinking deeply. Your thighs heavy. Your calves loose. And your feet sinking deeply. Nothing to resolve, absolutely nothing to figure out. If the day still feels a little close, let's create a bit of space. Imagine your day is like tiny leaves caught up in your hair after a walk outside. A faint tickle at the scalp, a light rustle near your temples. And as you breathe out, one leaf loosens, slides free, drifts down, and settles somewhere quiet. Take another slow inhale and exhale. Another small leaf lets go, as if a warm breeze is helping it. No rushing, literally one leaf at a time. And softly, you remember, you don't have to carry all tonight. It's okay and healthy to let it go. Let your breath settle into a beautiful, deep rhythm. Thoughts may come, that's okay. When a thought comes, you don't have to follow it. You can let it gently float past and return to the feeling of being cozy in your bed, feeling your bed holding and fully supporting you. During the story, you don't need to hold on to every word. You can let it drift. You can let it fade whenever you like. In this story, it's evening by the sea. The air is cool and mild, with a faint, slightly salty taste. You can hear the ocean, a soft hush, like steady breathing. You're walking slowly down a quiet lane. Underfoot is smooth and well worn. Your steps are gentle, unhurried. Warm light glows in distant windows. A quiet village is settling down. As you walk, you feel your own body settling too, as if each step helps your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, and your hands relax a little more. Near the shoreline, you notice a small shop. A wooden sign sways lightly in the breeze, and it creaks softly once and then still. The sign reads, "The Lantern House." You open the door, a small bell rings one clear note. Inside it's warm and the air smells like beeswax and clean wood. Lanterns sit on shelves, dozens of them, casting gentle pools of light. A lantern keeper stands behind the counter. Kind eyes, quiet hands. They don't ask questions and they don't hurry you. They simply say, very softly, "Would you like a lantern for the night?" They choose a small lantern with a honey-coloured glow, not bright, not sharp. A warm feeling goes over you. They place it in your hands. It's warm and cozy against your palms, steady, comforting. The lantern keeper speaks again, very quietly. This lantern only shows the next few steps. And then, as if it's the simplest truth, you don't have to carry it all tonight. You step back outside with the lantern. The sky is deep blue now. A few stars appear, small and calm. The lantern makes a soft circle of light on the path, just enough. You walk along the sea. The waves come in, slide back with a gentle shh. And your breath begins to follow. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. As you walk, a thought rises, something from today, and the lantern, it's so clever. It seems to hold that thought for you, without any effort, without struggle. The thought softens and sinks into the warm glow of the lantern. You keep walking until another thought, another small weight, and just like the first, it's held and softened and set down. You don't have to push anything away. Just walk and let the lantern hold the things that you don't need to hold anymore. And again, you hear the words. You don't have to carry it all tonight. You come to a bench near the sea, weathered, smooth, cool air on your cheeks. And you sit. The lantern rests beside you, making a small island of warmth. Within that circle, a shell, a pebble, a strand of grass. Beyond it, the ocean, wide and dark and breathing. You feel your body heavier now, a safe way. You let your shoulders melt a little more. You let your eyes rest a bit more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Far out in the water, a tiny boat lightly drifts, steady, slow. It moves without you doing anything. The sea continues. The sky continues. You are allowed to rest and be. You don't have to carry it all tonight. Now you stand slowly and follow the path up a gentle hill. The grass sways lightly in the breeze. The air is cool and clean. At the top, a small cottage waits. One window glows softly. Door opens. Inside it's warm and so cozy. You smell clean, fresh linen, faint wood smoke, and it's all making you feel reassured. A bed is made with smooth sheets, a blanket folded back and ready. A small table stands beside it, so you set your lantern down. It glows, but then begins to dim as if it knows. On a shelf, you notice a simple glass jar. You pick it up. This jar is for anything still tugging at you. If a thought comes, place it in the jar. Could be a task, could be a message, or even a worry. In the jar, and the lid turns closed. Tomorrow can hold tomorrow, meaning tomorrow will look after itself. You don't have to carry it all tonight. Now you lie down in the bed. Feel the sheets cool and smooth against your skin. Feel the mattress supporting you. Let your body grow heavy. Forehead soft, jaw loose, shoulders melting. Arms heavy, hands soft, fingers loose. Chest easy, belly soft. Hips, thighs, calves heavy, heavy, relaxed. Feet completely resting. Nothing to do. The lantern grows very, very low now. Small ember of warmth, and it gathers whatever is left. The last small scraps of anything you're thinking, and it holds them securely for you, so you can rest, you can sleep. Don't have to carry it all tonight. Just breath. If a thought appears, it can float and fade. The lantern dims softer and softer until it's only the remnants of feeling of warmth, and that eventually fades too. Nothing to follow, nothing to hold. Sleep. You are safe to sleep. It's safe for you to let go and sleep. The night is more than able to hold you. Everything you've been carrying, happy to wait till tomorrow. You don't